Our presentation focuses on enhancing safety and sustainability awareness in the welding workshop practice. The objective of our study are to identify current safety and sustainability practice in the welding area, to highlight existing technical and environmental issues, to propose solutions based on engineering codes and standards, and to promote a culture of safety, responsibility and sustainability among students and staff.
In our welding workshop, several safety measures are practiced daily. Firstly, students are required to wear full personal protective equipment, including welding helmet with face shield, welder gloves, apron and safety shoes. Secondly, safety signage is displayed across the workshop to remind workers of potential hazards such as electrical shock, high temperature and eye damage. The proper ventilation system helps to remove harmful fumes, while electrical cables are organized to prevent tripping hazards. Machine also use gas efficient system that help control gas flow and reduce wastage. These practices contribute to UITM's effort in supporting sustainability development goals well, responsible consumption and production.
Despite these positive efforts, several issues still exist in the welding area. Technical issues. Some welding machines show irregular output due to poor maintenance and calibration, affecting weld quality and energy use. Safety issues. Students occasionally do not put PPE or float too closely, increasing the risk of burns, electric shock, or eye injury from UV light exposure. Sustainability issue. Ventilation fans are sometimes left running unnecessarily and left lights remains on even after class. It causes wasting electricity. Next, environmental issues. Fume extraction systems are limited, allowing hazardous gases such as ozone and nitrogen oxides to remain in the workshop atmosphere. This issue can endanger students and staff, reduce equipment life, and increase the UITM's energy footprint.
In implementing this solution, we must balance three main factors. First one is cost. Upgrading machine and application system can be expensive. Second one is safety. New system reduce accident risk but may slow production. And third is environment. Sustainable solution may require behavior changes among students. To manage this conflict, we recommend a phased approach starting with low-cost safety improvement like PPE, enforcement, and maintenance schedule before investing a higher-cost sustainability project. This ensures safety and sustainability progress together, which is a responsible budget limits.
We propose several solutions to improve both safety and sustainability in the welding workshop. For the first, we will schedule machine maintenance. Machines should be checked monthly for calibration and safety following the Factorized Machinery Act 1967 and Occupation Safety and Health Act 1994 workshop. For the second one, we propose PPE enforcement. Attendance check should include PPE verification before any welding begins. Supervisor can use a checklist to ensure compliance. For the third purpose, we enhance ventilation and fume extraction. Install automation fume extraction near each welding bay to meet MS 1722, Occupation Safety and Health Management System requirement. For the fourth, such as energy efficiency. Replace all welding set with interface machine that consume less energy and produce less heat, aligned with ISO 14001 Environment Management System. For the last one, we propose waste management program. Introduce a system to collect and recycle leftover rod, wire, and scrap, reducing environmental impact. Our proposed safety improvement comply with OSHA 1994 section 15(1). On ensuring worker safety, while our sustainability measure aligned with ISO 14001 clause 8.1 for operational control of waste and energy. Additionally, our field instruction and inspection plan follow NS 1722 clause 4.4.6, ensuring proper air quality and safety monitoring within the welding workshop. This action will help maintain the sector environment and demonstrate UITM commitment to sustainability education.
To conclude, safety and sustainability are fundamental in every engineering workshop. Through our analysis, we identified key technical safety and sustainability issues in the welding area and proposed practical solutions aligned with OSHA 1994, ISO 14001, and MS 1722 standards. We recommend regular safety training and briefings, scheduled equipment maintenance, implementation of energy and waste monitoring systems, continuous student participation in safety committees. By working together, both students and staff can create a culture of responsibility that supports ITM's vision for sustainability engineering education. Thank you.